Connecting heavy plug connectors is now light work with QUick's contact inserts from Phoenix Contact. No more stripping the conductor, just push it in. Slide into place smooth as silk and make contact automatically. HEAVYCON QUickS, the fast heavy plug connector. Simply insert it, gently slide it into place, connect it quickly. Here the complete pole count: 10, 16 and 24. With a new coating but suitable for all the hoods in the world. Quick installation for heavy duty saving. HEAVYCON QUickS, the fast heavy plug connector.